Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, but they have missed the chance of buying this device at an enticing price, but they are looking to buy this in the next sale. But before buying this tablet, you must know 5 things that is better on Tab S9 FE Plus than iPad 10th generation. This video actually will help you to decide whether you should go for Android tablets, particularly Tab S9 FE Plus, or you should buy iPad 10th generation. The first thing that is very crucial is the display. With Tab S9 FE Plus, you will get 12.4 inches LCD display with HDR support, and the video watching experience on this tablet is very good. You will enjoy your multimedia contents on the go. Also, HDR plays very well. You can enjoy Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. On the other hand, the display of iPad 10th generation is also very good, but it is not an HDR display, as a result of which you cannot play HDR videos on iPad 10th generation. The next problem that is a major issue for a lot of users and that becomes a deal breaker to buy iPad 10th generation is the storage problem. With iPad 10th generation, you will get only 64 GB of internal storage with the base version. Also, you cannot add storage via micro SD card, but this problem is solved by Tab S9 FE Plus because the base variant is 128 GB. Also, you can add micro SD card up to 1 TB, so this is an added advantage for Tab S9 FE Plus. Also, in case of iPad 10th generation, I saw that the app size is very big, as a result of which it filled up very quickly. The third thing that becomes a very good thing for Tab S9 FE Plus is the S Pen in the box. You will get it free of cost, plus it has lots of capability and you can do a lot of things using this S Pen. You can write, you can draw, you can take screenshot, you can hover over screen to get translation. But in case of iPad, you will not get it free of cost. You have to pay around 7,000 plus for the Type-C iPencil. That is very costly. Also, you can buy third-party pencils at a price point of under 2,000 rupees, but that is not the case with Tab S9 FE Plus. So S Pen in the box is an added advantage for the users. The fourth important factor is the battery backup. Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 10,000 plus mAh battery, and the battery backup of Tab S9 FE Plus is excellent. Though it is powered by Exynos 1380 processor, in spite of that you will get great battery life, and there is no heating issue in Tab S9 FE Plus. On the other hand, with iPad 10th generation, you will also get very good battery life, but compared to Tab S9 FE Plus, you cannot imagine such a long battery backup from iPad 10th generation. So battery is also a plus point for Tab S9 FE Plus. Now the fifth factor is the price point. Normally Tab S9 FE Plus sells around 40,000 rupees for the base variant Wi-Fi version. But in offers, you can get this device well under 25,000 rupees using various cards and discounts. You just have to be alert. If you want to get the latest offers on Tab S9 FE Plus, you can subscribe the channel. I will let you know whenever there is an offer on this tablet or any other tablet in the market. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.